Hi everyone, today let us see how to draw an eyebrow using some simple techniques and some repetitive process. So let's get started. Let us start by making the outline of the eyebrow. Here I am using an HB pencil. Before we actually get into it, let us quickly give an exercise to our hand by simply practicing the strokes. Always remember, when you draw the hair, the root part is thicker than its tip. Simply go on practicing strokes in different direction. Keep on adding strokes, controlling your pressure. Make sure initially you do not mark any darker marks and simply go on adding the strokes. Use a brush or a blending stump. Here what I've done is I've given a tonal value by blending the initial layer. Now again continue the procedure of adding on strokes. This is when you can change your pencil. You can replace it with a 2B or a 4B. Here I've completed the second layer of adding strokes. You can see I'm adding a bit more pressure this time to mark some darker hair. Again blend it with your brush. As I said prior, this is a repetitive process, a bit more time consuming, but the end result will be worth it. Hope you enjoyed it. Keep practicing.